whole thing in a reasonable period. You may get there, but don't make that mandatory on day one. So that's really the third dilemma that I'd like to speak about. The fourth is around regulation, and the fact that regulation should be the framework in which regulation works in the entire country. Whoever be the regulator needs to foster the innovation and needs to have a certain clarity of purpose. And I think there's some work to be done over there. Even amongst on this table, there was a discussion of postal life insurance. Today, postal life insurance and private and the other life insurance industry are not regulated by the same body in a full manner. So there's one issue there. Regulations have to be clear on what is being regulated. Are you regulating the input or the output? As an example, if we talk of training, all agents need to go for training. Today, what is regulated is the 50 or 100 hours of training that an agent has to go through. The content is regulated, and also the output. Is the person going to clear an examination and so on? So I think we need to think through some of those. If you look at products, for example, there are many products in life insurance. All of you are familiar with Unit Link. There's the variable universal life, and there are many other products. Today, in a Unit Link product, every product in the marketplace is really a commodity, and so I think the whole regulatory body needs to think about the direction in which it's going and how that's going to actually encourage